Okay guys, I'm excited to share with you the progress we have made at Hesketh Estate phase 2 for the freestanding homes. So what we're looking at here is our show unit. You could always purchase it if you want. It's also for sale. So this is a 3-bed, 2-bathroom, 2 garage. As you can see, we're looking at the double garage currently. Not looking as pretty as it would once it's finished, but it's just something that is exciting to see come alive. So we have your double garage here. Here's garage number 2, and then here you have basically your main entrance, and then you have the bedroom 3 window. You can use it as a 3rd bedroom or study. And then let's walk in. Sure, this is exciting, guys. Okay, as you can see, you have immediate access to the living area from the garage. So there you go, garage 1, I'm walking through. Now it's garage 2. There's a garage window there, and there's a small door here where you get like a bit of a yard. Supposedly this would be to hang your clothes or something. And then let's go back now to the living area, or to the passage. So this is the passage, and then here you have your bedroom 3. The roof is going up already. Shucks. Living area. This is your living area. Wow, so much light coming in here. This is going to be stunning, guys. It's your kitchen window. So the kitchen will be, as you can see already, the plug sits up there. And then your sliding door. Quite a reasonable size sliding door. And you have your veranda. It's quite nice. Covered. This is where you're going to be sitting and enjoying the view. This is amazing, guys. It's totally amazing. To think that it was just like land full of bush, nothing exciting. But now to this, got this beautiful freestanding home coming up. Should be ready in a few months' time. Let me show you this side. So this is where like you could be chilling with your family, having a nice braai. And then you have a bit of a yard here, and there's a bit of a slope, and then your neighbors right there, and you have all this yard to yourself. It's quite amazing to see it come alive. And another thing that's interesting here, so for your bedroom, you get a sliding door for immediate access to your garden. It's very nice. You have an ensuite, which is gonna have a shower, toilet, and sink. As you can see, this is amazing, guys. So from your main bedroom, there's a passage you walk through, and then there's a general bathroom here, and then there's bedroom 2. What I like about this bedroom, it's got quite a nice size window. You always like to have lights in your window, like it's quite nice. Okay, so now let's leave the show units. Let's go to the rest of the 14 units that are going to be built. There's our donkey right there. Okay. So we're building the first 14 units. It seems like this one and these other 3 units are going to be completed first, and then we'll have the other 11 coming up afterwards. So please guys, you need to put in those deposits. We can assist you with the pre-approval process. Put in your 50,000 deposit to reserve a unit. Look at this amazing view. So as you can see, sorry, I'm going to spend a lot of time capturing this plot. I won't tell you why, but this one exactly, I'm very interested in this one. And then there's the other 3 that are coming up. That's the other 2. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, these are coming up nicely. Oh, this is amazing. It's amazing to see it come to life.